Welcome to our latest Wandering Walks of Wonder adventure. Today we're headed to the Texas Hill Country and the town of Llano, Texas. The history of Llano is a rich and varied one. The area was originally inhabited by the Tonkawa Native American Tribe, who were later displaced by the Apache and Comanche Indians. The first Europeans to arrive in the area were Spanish explorers who came in the early 16th century. However, it wasn't until the 1850s that permanent settlement began in Llano County. The town of Llano was founded in 1856, and it quickly became a major trade center for the region. The town was also home to a number of industries, including ranching, farming, and mining. Llano was also a major stop on the Chisholm Trail, which was a cattle drive that ran from Texas to Kansas. In the late 19th century, Llano experienced a period of economic growth due in part to the discovery of iron ore in the area. However, that boom didn't last long, and Llano's economy declined in the early 20th centuries. In the years since, Llano has undergone a period of revitalization. The town has become a popular tourist destination thanks to its scenic beauty, its historic charm, and the abundance of outdoor activities around the area. Our walking tour has begun on the north end of Llano. This is where the Llano Visitor Center as well as the railroad district can be found. It's also a great place to learn about the historic background of the city. It's located in the city's former rail yard, and it's within walking distance of some really cool spots. There's a small railroad museum, a mining exhibit, a small garden, and some replica platform train cars and this garden here that we can explore. This cabin that we see here in front of us is the oldest structure in Llano. It was built around 1860 and is part of the museum complex. This beautiful bridge is called the Roy Inks Bridge, and it was built in 1936. We've now headed across the historic bridge, and we're in the downtown area of Llano. First up, we see the Llano County Courthouse. This courthouse is a beautiful example of a Romanesque revival style structure that was built in 1893. One note of this courthouse is it's one of the oldest still used courthouses in the state of Texas. The building across the street from us is the Southern Hotel. It was erected in 1881 by stonemasons J.K. Finley and John Goodman. It's constructed in the Second Empire style for owner J.W. Owen. The hotel was once built as a stagecoach stop between Mason and Burnett, and it later served as a hotel and boarding house. Originally, it was a two-story building, but a third floor was added when Colonel W.A.H. Miller bought the hotel in 1883. It was later renamed the Colonial Inn and ceased operations in the 1950s. I hope you've enjoyed this wandering walk tour of Llano, Texas. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you on the walk. Take care now. Bye.